Hey there, gorgeous entrepreneurs. Let's talk Instagram. It's not just for latte art and vacation pics anymore. This platform has exploded. It's a powerful tool for businesses, especially those just starting out. Why? Because it connects you with potential customers in a fun, visual way. Think of Instagram as your digital storefront. It's a place to showcase your brand personality and products. But it's also about building relationships, sharing your story, engaging with your community. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just dipping your toes in, there's always something new to learn about Instagram marketing. So, are you ready to unlock its potential? Let's dive in. Ready to rock your Instagram game? Let's get started. Okay, so why all the hype about Instagram for business? Here's the deal. It's all about connection. People buy from people they know, like, and trust. Instagram helps you build that. First, it's visual. Gorgeous photos and videos grab attention. They let you show off your products in action. Think drool-worthy food pics, stunning fashion shots, or behind-the-scenes peeks at your process. Second, it's engaging. Instagram stories, live videos, and interactive polls make your audience feel involved. They're not just watching, they're part of the experience. Finally, it's targeted. With hashtags and location tags, you can reach the right people, those who are actually interested in what you offer. It's like having a direct line to your ideal customer. So, whether you're a local bakery or a global brand, Instagram can help you reach your business goals. Content is queen or king on Instagram. But how do you create content that truly connects with your audience? First things first, quality over quantity, always. Stunning visuals are key. Think bright, clear, and eye-catching. Use natural light whenever possible. No fancy equipment needed, your smartphone camera is enough. Don't be afraid to show the real you. Share behind-the-scenes glimpses of your business. Introduce your team, show your creative process, or even just share a funny work-from-home moment. People connect with authenticity. Mix it up. Use a variety of content formats. Photos, videos, carousels, reels. Keep it fresh and exciting. Try out different features and see what resonates with your audience. And most importantly, have fun. Your passion will shine through and make your content even more engaging. Section 4. The power of hashtags expanding your reach. Hashtags. Those little words and phrases preceded by the hash symbol. They might seem small, but they're mighty powerful on Instagram. Think of them as your content's secret weapon for getting discovered. Here's how they work. When you use a hashtag, your post becomes discoverable to anyone who searches for that hashtag. It's like joining a conversation and putting your voice out there. The key is to be strategic. Research relevant hashtags in your niche. Use a mix of broad and specific hashtags. For example, if you're a florist, you might use hash flowers, hash floral arrangement, and hash local florist. Don't go overboard. Stick to 5 to 10 relevant hashtags per post. Too many can look spammy. And remember, quality over quantity always applies. Use hashtags wisely, and you'll watch your reach and engagement soar. Section 5. Instagram Stories. A gateway to authentic engagement. Let's talk about Instagram Stories, my friend. This is where the magic of real-time connection happens. Stories are short, engaging snippets of content that disappear after 24 hours, creating a sense of urgency and exclusivity. Use stories to take your audience behind the scenes, share sneak peeks of new products, give a glimpse into your workday, or host a quick Q&A session. The more personal and authentic, the better. Don't be afraid to get creative with stickers, polls, and quizzes. They're a fun way to interact with your followers and get them involved. Ask questions, get feedback, and make it a two-way conversation. Stories are also a great place to drive traffic to your website or other social media platforms. Use the swipe up feature to link directly to your latest blog post, product page, or special offer. Remember, stories are all about showing the human side of your brand and building deeper connections with your audience. So, have fun, be yourself, and let your personality shine. Section 6. Conclusion. Embrace the gram for business growth. There you have it, gorgeous. You've got a crash course in Instagram marketing. Remember, consistency is key. Show up regularly, engage with your audience, and don't be afraid to experiment and have fun. Instagram is an incredible tool for businesses of all sizes. Use it to tell your story, connect with your audience, and grow your brand. Now get out there and rock your Instagram game. I'm cheering you on. Big hugs, Marie.